Okay, so the next part of this project asks us to fix the student pivot table, and it just says that score was put in the wrong section of the pivot table, and so we've just got to move it and change it to an average. So back over to our Excel sheet, and so this is the mess that they've left us that we've got to fix. And so if you want the score to be in the middle of the table, which is what they're trying to say that they want you to do, so that you see these same students that we worked with in the table, you want their average score here. And so score has to go in the values section, because this is the values section of the table. This top part, that's the columns, and the left side is the rows. And so it's real easy to just move stuff around inside a pivot table. So we could switch to where we have January and each student's name listed, or if I pull month down here below student, now I've got each student and each month listed. So feel free to just move stuff until it looks the way you want it to. But this automatically, when you put a value here, it does the sum, and so you have to change it by clicking the drop down arrow, click value field settings, and then we're just going to select average right here. And now when we click OK, we get that average. The next one is this table is asking for you to compare each one of these salaries to the total, and parts of a whole are best demonstrated not by a line chart but by a pie chart. So this kind of data is better for a pie chart works better for that. And so if you go to design, all you've got to do is click change chart type, and we'll just find a pie and click OK. And then it wants us to add data callouts, I believe. Let me click over there right quick and make sure. Yeah, we want to display data labels using the data callout format. And so click back over here, and then so to add a chart element, all we do is click the little plus, and we want data labels, and then we hit this arrow right here to do data callout. And so now we have a pie chart that shows each one of these and what percentage of the whole they make up. So you can see that chemistry is the largest piece of the pie there. So line charts are great for change over time, and then column and bar charts are good for showing differences in categories. But this pie chart's best for parts of the whole.